एक लिपस्टिक फ्री क्या मिल गई मुझे. आई वाज लाइक ooh, that's a good deal. And welcome back to my channel Glam Label. So today's another video for hashtag Glam Review / Unboxing. And आज मैं रिव्यू करने वाली हूँ एक मेकअप ई-कॉमर्स वेबसाइट के बारे में. अभी तक आपने कैप्शन से पढ़ लिया होगा. So yes, it's all about hawkmakeup.com. So we generally look forward for Nykaa or Purple whenever we want to shop on makeup. But this time I actually made my head all up for Hawk Makeup because of some very strong reason. अगर आपको पता है Hawk Makeup के बारे में, so this is the one wholesaler kind of a website जो कि बाहर के इंटरनेशनल प्रोडक्ट्स को इंडिया में सोर्स करता है, like Wet n Wild, Makeup Revolution, Rude Makeup, LA Colors and LA Girl and lot more, like Nika K as well. So these are the brands which we are familiar from Nykaa. But Nykaa और Hawk Makeup के जो prices हैं इन्हीं same products पे, it's a huge difference. You can see real difference on the price factor, and that actually comes with a reason. So let me tell you. So Hawk Makeup जो है वो biggest dealer है जो बाहर से सोर्स करता है, and उसके जो डिस्ट्रीब्यूटरीज हैं वो जाते हैं Nykaa और Purple पे, तभी आपको थोड़े बहुत डिस्काउंट्स मिल जाते हैं इन ब्रांड्स पे. लेकिन अगर आप प्राइस कंपेयर करो Hawk Makeup और Nykaa पे, so there's like 50% sale always going on those brands over Hawk Makeup. So why don't we go ahead and make a direct purchase from there जो कि directly source कर रहा है, right? That makes a point. So yeah, this idea actually interested me a lot, and I ended up buying a lot of stuff from these brands, especially Wet n Wild and Makeup Revolution. I'm really a big fan of these two brands. So कुछ ऐसी चीज़ें थी जो मेरे wish list में थी, and लगे हाथ मैंने Hawk Makeup से मंगा लिया with a very good discount. So yes, if you're a makeup junkie like me and you want to put forward your wish list from Hawk Makeup, so before you do that, make sure you're watching this video till the end. Give this video a big thumbs up, share it with your friends and family, and subscribe नहीं किया तो please go and subscribe right now. Push that notification button so that you can never miss any new updates on my channel, right? You don't have to miss that. So yes, without any further blabbering, let me get into this whole packaging, and let me show you what all I got about the reviews so that you guys can know. So yeah, without any further ado, let's get into the video. Alright, so moving towards the packaging stuff. So this was the carton which I received. अभी तो I have unboxed it. अभी तो इसके थोड़े निकल गए. But yeah, so talking about the packaging, the carton was stiff enough to hold up all my things intact. अंदर से ये बबल रैप में आया था, so that's very common in Nykaa as well. But the one disappointment was there in the packaging stuff. उन्होंने सिर्फ और सिर्फ ऐसे ही लूजली मेरे आइटम्स को रख के बबल रैप को रैप कर दिया था ऐसे. Nothing was taped well, so that अगर डिलीवरी में कहीं भी मूव करता तो चीज़ें टूटने का डर था अगर प्रेशर आता बॉक्स पे तो. That was the only one thing which I was thinking about. At least Nykaa, what they do is they literally bubble wrap and tape it very nicely, very intact. So yeah, that was all about packaging. The bubble wrap is good and things were there and nothing broke, nothing I got broken, so that was the good part. The best part is the list which is there on the bottom. तो यहाँ पे मेरे सारे products के नाम, the quantity and the price was there. So I literally got like I think it's 7 to 8 products which costed me somewhere nearby 3,000. But let me tell you guys, I made the same wish list on the Nykaa website, and surprisingly for the same products, you can see the same products I have on my list, and everything costed somewhere nearby 4,426. So there was actually difference of somewhere around 1,200 to 1,300. That's too much, right? इसमें बहुत सारी चीजें आ जाती हैं. So talking about like how many days it took this parcel to reach me, right? This is again the question because a lot of people have complained over their website that it takes like 10 to 12 days. But I don't know. I was lucky enough कि मुझे इतने दिन नहीं लगे. I think 3 से 4 दिन पे ये पैकेज मेरे पास पहुंच चुका था, and I think that's one of the reason could be कि मेरा जो ये zone है that is not a contaminated zone right now. So obviously it took a quick delivery to me. All depends upon your postal codes and your state you are in. So I think that varies. So मुझे तो 3 से 4 दिन में मिल गए थे, तो I really like that. I think the same time Nykaa also takes. So that was not much of a difference. Okay, so talking about the first product which I got is much needed in this lockdown because I have ruined all my beauty sponges. मैं सारे अपने beauty sponges खराब कर चुकी हूँ, and इस पे मेरी बहुत टाइम से नजर थी नायका पे. So like Wet n Wild makeup sponge applicator, and this is how cute it is. If you can see, this is in like a fuchsia kind of a pink color, and comes with like a flat surface and the curvy thing. So this is very very cute. I haven't opened it yet. इनको compare किया गया था पैक के beauty blender से. So I think the pack has the best beauty blenders, and अगर ये उसके competitor में है, so I really want to try that. I already have tried the pack ones like an year before. I didn't like them much, but yeah, I mean this sounds very promising, so I always wanted to get my hands on them. So this is the first purchase I got, and this is so cute. This is literally very cute. And alright, so moving to the second purchase of mine, has to be again from Wet n Wild, and ये है finishing setting spray. This is Wet n Wild Photo Focus Matte Finish Setting Spray. This is in a black बॉटल. आई थिंक इसका दूसरा जो वाला जो है वो वाइट में आता है, दैट्स फॉर ड्यूई फिनिश, एंड दिस वन इज फॉर प्रॉपर मैटे. अगर आपकी स्किन कॉम्बिनेशन टू ऑयली है, प्लीज गो फॉर दिस वन. दिस विल सूट यू द बेस्ट, एंड दिस गिव्स लाइक फुल मैटिफाइंग काइंड ऑफ लुक विच आई हैव रेड अबाउट. देयर वाज अ लॉट ऑफ गुड रिव्यूज ओवर देयर. सो या, हॉट मेकअप से कुछ तो फायदा हुआ. सो पैकेजिंग वाज इंटैक्ट, एवरीथिंग केम वेरी नाइस, एंड like all sealed up with all the details and with the logo over here of Hawk Makeup. So yeah, this is the product, and I am really loving this one, and I'm so excited to try this on. Alright, so moving to the third product which I got from Wet n Wild. Again, I think I should stop taking name of Wet n Wild. It looks so sponsored. Okay, so another product which I got is a blush from Wet n Wild Color Icon collection, and ये मेरा दूसरा शेड है सेम ब्रांड में से. मैं अभी फिलहाल यूज़ कर रही हूँ मेलो वाइन, जो आज मैंने लगाया भी है, एंड आई रियली लाइक दैट टेक्सचर, एंड दैट वाज द बिगेस्ट रीजन आई गॉट माई हैंड्स ऑन अनदर शेड ऑफ दैट. तो ये है एप्रिकॉट इन द मिडल, थोड़ा सा सटल, बहुत कोरल पीची शेड है. इट रियली डिजॉल्व्स इन योर स्किन एंड गिव्स लाइक मेकअप बट नो मेकअप काइंड ऑफ फील टू इट. सो आई गिव इट अ क्विक स्वॉच. दिस इज लाइक वेरी गुड. इट हैज़ अ वेरी fine shimmer particles which looks amazing, like dissolving in your skin. बिल्कुल भी chunky नहीं लगता, बिल्कुल भी shimmery kind of नहीं लगता, foiled sparkles नहीं है इसके. It's like very fine particles, and that actually gives a very good texture to it. And the look, I mean, you hardly can see that because it's very light. It just melts into your skin. Again, for summer day purpose, office purpose, this is going to be the best. If you like some sort of color which is very subtle for medium to fair skin tone, you can actually have your hands on. Do try this. This shade is amazing if you like light shade blush. So yeah, this is the one. Alright, so the fourth product which I got for myself is from Eye Range, and I really wanted something in shimmery eyeliner stuff which is in silver color because I was running out of that. So yeah, this is the product which I got from LA Colors Chrome Liquid Eyeliner in the shade silver foil, and this is how it looks. It's very pretty, very chic, like a long kind of a bottle, and इसको हम खोलते हैं तो ऐसा wand होता है जो कि बहुत लंबा है. इसका brush बहुत precise है, so obviously the application is going to be very smooth. We can make a very well defined precise wing liner, or you can use it in multi-purpose, right? So yeah, you guys gonna see me using this product a lot of times ahead. मैं बहुत use करने वाली हूँ इसको. Yeah, so give it a try to Hawk Makeup for such things, and I'm really telling you, you're not gonna disappointed. So this is a quick swatch over here. You guys can see this silver thing. It's quite pigmented. I wouldn't say that's like too much pigmented, but हाँ ठीक है, काम चलाने वाला. 70% pigmented. Good color payoff, and the main good part is even after rubbing it hard, ये जा नहीं रहा, right? So it's very smudge proof. So that's the main thing. When you apply something on eyes, you really don't want that to smudge everywhere. So for that factor, this is very good, and it's 10 on 10 for that. Pigmentation 7 on 10, but the smudge thing is much more to it. So if this interests you, you can actually have your hands on. Alright, so moving to the fifth product which I have got is this concealer from, I think you guys already have guessed, right? I don't think so I should name it again. अभी तक guess कर चुके होगे. So yeah, this is the one from the same brand you guys are guessing. So yeah, this is a Photo Focus concealer, and I'm in the shade light medium beige, and ये बिल्कुल मेरी concealer के complexion से match करता है. This is the exact shade which I'm using it from LA Girl and Maybelline. So but how it is different from Maybelline, this is very thick, and in a one swatch it really covers up all your dark circles. जैसे Age Divine का Maybelline है, I think this is the competitor of that. It works like equally well of that. So yeah, this is the product and I really like the packaging, the kind of bottle it comes with. So this is the packaging, बहुत सुंदर packaging है, just like Maybelline one, but this is more of like a square shape and more intact. इसका जो wand है, again it is like this, like in angular form, and it's very easy to apply. So I can see this is like a much lighter shade which I'm going to use to highlight my under eyes. So this is going to be the exact shade which I was looking for. So I'm really excited to use this, and yeah, do try this from Hawk Makeup, from Wet n Wild. This makes a huge amount of discount which you're gonna compare after getting it from Nykaa and Hawk Makeup. You're gonna save a lot. So yeah, I can't stop blabbering about the discounts I have got from Hawk Makeup. I'm so sorry. Alright, so moving on the next product, which is a sixth purchase from the Hawk Makeup. Finally, it's not from Wet n Wild, so jaan chhuti. तो ये है Makeup Revolution का, and let me tell you one behind the story thing. I really want to tell you guys. So this is the one product which I had in my wish list from past 2 years. Yes, you heard it right. मैं इतना कुछ shopping किया उसके बाद भी, but मैंने ये कभी नहीं खरीदा because I always had this dilemma in my head कि मैं इसको लूँ या ना लूँ. But this time when I saw this on Hawk Makeup with my actual shade available, for God's sake, yeah, it was available. I really wanted to make my hands on it, and ये है Makeup Revolution का makeup foundation stick. So this is how the packaging is so cute, and you know where the interest came for this product, I'll tell you. 2 years back when I was seeing Malvika Satlani's makeup tutorial video, she was using this product and she's in shade F8 and I'm in the shade F6, by the way. If you're somewhere nearby to my complexion who is having like light medium complexion and with golden or beige undertones, I think this shade will suit you perfectly. अगर आप थोड़े से dark हो, हल्के से dark हो, deeper tone में हो, तो you can go for F7 or F8. F8 is I think going to be perfect for you. So yeah, I'm in the shade F6 and this is the one dream product I have been always looking for but never got my hands into it. So yeah, इसको मैंने Hawk Makeup पे देखा, luckily मेरा shade भी available था. Somehow यार इतना फर्क नहीं पड़ता, 50 रुपए का कुछ चाहिए होता तो obviously if you think this way, but एक मोटिवेशन जरूर हो जाता है कि थोड़ा सा भी डिस्काउंट होता है तो लाइक चाहे 10 रुपये का भी डिस्काउंट हो, आई थिंक यू कैन यू नो बी देयर विद मी. अगर आप इस चीज़ को वैलिडेट करते हो कि आप जब भी कुछ लेते हो चाहे वो कितना भी महंगा होगा, उस पर 10 रुपये डिस्काउंट मिल जाता है ना, यू गेट दैट मोटिवेशन टू गेट योर हैंड्स ओवर दैट. सो वही हुआ मेरे साथ, एंड फाइनली after that inspiration from her, I literally got my hands over there, and let me tell you, this is an amazing product. The quantity is awesome, and because बहुत कम यूज़ होता है, because it's a stick format, so obviously बहुत कम यूज़ होता है, and summers के लिए it's a blessing. Why? Because if you have something sticky face, बहुत ज़्यादा आपको sweating होती है, so ये चीज़ें आप बहुत आपके pores को block कर देती हैं, and you don't you know sweat so much, आपकी oil secretion नहीं होती है, तो summers के लिए stick foundation are always a blessing. And plus point, आप तो कहीं भी travel कर सकते हो, तो I'm gonna use it more in my travel thing because I can throw it in my bag and carry it anywhere. So yeah, this is one lovely thing which I got and I'm very happy about. So pat on the back after 2 years. Finally I made it out. Alright, so moving to the final product which I have got has to be from the lipstick range, because कोई भी makeup product लो और lipstick ना लो, ऐसा कैसे हो सकता है यार. Your cart is just simply incomplete if you're not buying any new lipstick in your vanity. So this one is from Makeup Revolution. I have never thought I'm gonna try lipsticks from Makeup Revolution, but I got this idea that their palettes are so highly pigmented, they stays for so long, the quality is so nice and all that stuff. Why not lipstick? The lipstick is going to be again good in the terms of color payoff, and that simply happened when I went to their reviews. मैंने reviews जब पढ़ा, oh my god, everyone were talking only about the pigmentation, how well and how sharp their pigmentation is. So I am really good, you know, good fan of all the lipstick which pays off well in the color thing. So मैंने ये 2 shades pick किए हैं, and there was nothing that I wanted to try 2 of them, but I got my hand on this deal जहाँ पे 1+1 था. So एक जो लिपस्टिक की कॉस्ट है वो है 690 रुपीज़, एंड मुझे यहाँ पे 690 में 2 लिपस्टिक मिल गए हैं. So so this is the shade Spiritual. This is like a deep red tone, and now the another one, Attitude. So now this is in fuchsia kind of a pink, which you can see. The main good thing about the packaging is आप इसके shade के color देख सकते हो यहाँ पे, and the color is over here. The color is very beautiful, gonna go with the Indians and Western a lot. I have tried this one a day before yesterday when I was out, so I wore it. It takes like a little bit time to get dried up. इसका फॉर्मुलेशन कुछ ऐसा है, बट एक बार ड्राई जब हो जाता है तो निकलता नहीं है जल्दी से, एंड जो कलर जो है इट जस्ट pops up. Like it was like just looking a cherry on your lips because the color is such, and everything was looking all beautiful all together. Oh my god, this color is so beautiful, quite loud, but if I'm gonna combine it well with my overall look, it's gonna look bomb. So these are the two shades I am talking about, Spiritual and Attitude. So both the shades are amazing, quite loud, good for night looks, and I'm gonna use them in my coming videos for sure. Alright, so there's a small tip coming over here for you girls. So अगर आपके dry और chapped lips हैं और आप कोई भी liquid lips लगाते हो तो आपको crackness दिखती है और fine lines लगती है lips पे, तो उसको avoid करने के लिए try to exfoliate your lips well with a good mild scrubber, or maybe you can just mix sugar molecule and honey with the olive oil drops into it, and अच्छे से इसको massage कर लो 2-3 मिनट के लिए, इसको lukewarm से water से या तो wipe कर लो या तो धो लो. That's a small tip. Do that before you go ahead and apply any of the liquid lipstick. They're gonna stay long on your thing, the color will be good, the payoff will be good, and the third thing, you won't feel your lips to be dried and chapped after it. That's a small trick, so do try that before you go ahead and make your lips look beautiful with all the other liquid lipsticks, right? So go ahead and make your lips look beautiful. Alright, so this was it for the today's video, and I hope this would have made a real help to you, because you know, saving is something which we all want to do when we are going for shopping, be it anything. And when it comes about makeup, due to shelf life, obviously we want something to come in the cheaper price with us, so that हम उसको अच्छा से use कर सके, and पैसे बचाना किसको नहीं अच्छा लगता, right? So अगर आप कुछ भी मेकअप लेने का सोच रहे हो, end of the season सेल चल रहा है हर जगह पे, तो अगर आप नायका से कुछ मंगाना चाहते हो, अगर Wet n Wild या फिर Makeup Revolution, निका के कुछ भी ऐसा कुछ मंगाना चाहते हो इन ब्रांड से जो इंटरनेशनल ब्रांड्स है, डू कंपेयर देम फर्स्ट ऑन हॉक मेकअप, एंड देन मे बी यू कैन मेक योर ओन चॉइस. आई एम नॉट इवन एक्चुअली इंडोर्सिंग एनीबडी. सो या अगर आपको जहाँ से लेना आप ले सकते हो, बट एक्चुअली जस्ट टू सेव सम गुड मनी यू कैन हैव अ गुड कंपैरिजन बिटवीन दीज टू, विच इज नायका एंड हॉक मेकअप. आई एम वेरी श्योर यू कैन एक्चुअली go with a lot of best discounts on hawk makeup, like the way I did. I saved up 13 to 1400, so that means a lot. So yes, this was all about it, and I hope it's gonna be very helpful for you. If it was, make sure you're hitting that like button, subscribing, share with your friends and family, and just stay tuned for the upcoming videos. I know this video is a little late aa raha hai, but I'm gonna be very consistent from the next time, so sorry for that. So until the next one, stay home, take care of yourself, stay fit, healthy, and yes, don't forget to stay beautiful.